Guys, I'm just like, I can't believe this. What is this? Who is she in my mirror? Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Neoma, but you can call me Nee. And you know what we're about to do, judging by the title of this video. Yes, we are about to do another wig review because you know your girl got you covered. So if you're new here, subscribe because we got a lot more videos like this coming up, since you do not want to miss out. You don't, okay? And if you are not new here and you've seen my videos before, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. You can be on any other YouTuber's video. Yes, you're here. Okay, let's get right to business, shall we? That's the wrong way. We are reviewing hair from Her Given Hair. This is now my second time, actually really my third time working with this company. And I like working with them, especially because I get to work with their wigs. Y'all, I don't know about you, but I hate making wigs. I don't want to make them anymore. Like, I really don't. Y'all saw the last wig review I did with them where I did it on their Afro blowout kinky texture wig. Girl, you knew the wig looked like it was coming from my scalp. It really, really looked like that. So that's why I'm really excited to be working with them again on this wig because, girl, you know, summertime's coming. I need more wigs. I need more options. And that's just the way, you know, we're gonna do things. So this is their lace front wig. The texture is curly. I got the cap size medium, which actually should fit. I do have a pretty large head, but it seems like their wigs are sort of like big. So if you have a small head, I would definitely consider getting maybe an extra small or a small, but we'll see when we put this wig on. But yeah, I have a really big head, you know. Look at the size of this thing, the mass of it, it's crazy. Anyway, the length is 20 inches and we're gonna get started right away. So it also comes with that wig band, which I like so much, because it helps keep the wig secure and it definitely helps with it not sliding back, you know? So here's the wig band, and then we also have the clips here, the combs, I'm sorry, not clips, the combs. No, these are clips, sorry, that you can sew onto the sides of the wig, and it also comes with these combs as well, these small little combs, for reassurance that the wig will stay on, you know? So basically, this is just a whole little pack of securing the wig. So here we have the wig, and of course, which I love so much, they have a little booklet on how to take care of the hair, bedtime morning prep for daily styling and refreshing. It's just a whole bunch of a lot, right? We're gonna skip that today, and then it also has a little cute thing, a cute history, a timeline of Her Given Hair's history and blah 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 blah. Anyway, let's get into the wig, shall we? Okay. So I'm gonna take the net off the wig. And here is the wig, and as you can see, the wig cap is already bleached, so your girl don't gotta do nothing. Literally all I have to do is cut this wig, cut this lace front off. And as you can see, my wig head is a beige, sort of light skin kind of color, looking a little lighter than me, but you know, your girl's trying to get that tan this summer, you know. Anyway, so yeah, as you can see, it blends in so well. Looks like it's her scalp. Are you serious? Are you kidding me? On the inside of the cap, here you have the lace front, so it's definitely a lot of room to part in a lot of different ways. And then we also have combs on the side, so I like the fact that it already has, how many combs in here? It has 3 combs in here, and it also comes with 2 extra combs in the case that you wanna add more security. I'm not going to be adding any more combs at all. I'm not actually really going to be doing anything other than cutting the net off. Oh, this is so beautiful. So I'm going to start from the middle, and then I'm just going to cut around the edges. I'm not going to cut so close to the hairline because I want to use some space for baby hairs and just for the glue, you know. Like I don't want to cut too much, too close. And you can also request the net color that you want. I think this is like, I'm not even sure what net color this is, but it's sort of like a tannish brown color. There should be options on the website of what color you'd like. All right, so I cut the net, and I definitely left some room for baby hairs, which I'm not even sure if we're gonna be using today. I'm not sure if we're gonna be using baby hairs, but we'll see. This is a full lace wig, but I'm not going to be using it as a full lace wig. I'm just going to use it for the front. So the wig actually fits really good, especially for a size medium. considering the fact that I have a big head. So if you are a medium, there's also inches of the head size on the website, so you can be able to gauge really what your head size is based off of the circumference of your head and blah blah blah. So use that as a guide. But like I said, I'm normally a larger thing because I really do have a big head, but this medium is fitting quite well. So if you really have a medium sized head, get a small, and if you have a small type of head, get an extra small, I believe. So what do we think? Let's also try to part this a little bit. So already off the back, what I want to do is I actually want to color the lace front a little bit because it does still have that brown color, and I obviously want it to really melt in with my skin tone. So I'm going to use a little bit of my eyeshadow in this color, and I'm going to color it a little bit. So I'll be back with that. But before then, let's see how this thing parts. Let's see. Okay, that's already one part there. Ooh, there goes another part. See, there's another part that we can do. Yup, there is another part. See? So I'm already loving the fact that you can part this hair in different styles, but that's something that we already knew from my last review. And if you haven't watched that yet, like, what are you doing? But yeah, well, what you're doing is watching this video, duh. But anyway, if you want to know more about her giving hair units, definitely check out my other video. So I'm very curious to know what this hair looks like wet. So what I'm about to do before I even customize the frontal even more, I'm going to wet the hair and come back with the results. So hold up, I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. So yes, obviously I'm shooting this video on a different day. My apologies about that. It's just been a crazy couple of days for me. But anyway, I'm back with this customized her giving hair unit. Y'all, look at this hair. It is so beautiful. I feel like this is mine. And one thing I like about this is usually, you know, when you see curls like this, you might kind of think like, oh, these curls are probably kinky. You know, you probably can't run your fingers through them. And I'm here to say that, okay, well, aside from this little knot right here, okay, you can. You see that? You can definitely run your fingers through it after you condition the hair and wash it. So let me tell you guys a bit about how I customized it. Now, on this side, as you can see, it's a bit more calmed down. You can definitely see the curl definition. And on this side, it's a little bit more wild and free. You know, it's drier, it's bigger, it's thicker. Now, me personally, I wanted to have a bit more of refined curls. I wanted more of a wash and go kind of look as opposed to an afro kinky-ish look. So I want to show you guys how I did that. Obviously, I got to glue the hair as well, so it could fit on my head. So you're gonna get your little water bottle, and you are going to spray the hair. Spray, 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 spray. Get the hair to be wet. I just love wetting this hair, guys. This hair is so soft. When I say it is soft, I mean it is really soft. Guys, this is legitimately human hair. This is legit human hair. This is 100% human hair. They're not lying to you. I know that this wig may be a bit on the pricey side depending on your budget, but girl, it is worth it. If you want a wig that'll last you over a year and you know, you just need that curly wig. So for example, with me, right? I don't really like to have multiple different types of wigs. I kind of just like, all right, this is my bob wig, okay, this is my curly wig, okay, this is my straight wig. Contrary to your belief, I know you guys think that I have like a lot of wigs and I have different options, which I love. But listen, I'm telling you right now, this curly wig is all I need right now. It is all I need. So it is worth the investment, ladies, I'm telling you right now. And I also have a discount code, so check out the description box for that. But listen, it is a great investment. Especially considering the fact that this wig is already done for you. The knots are already bleached. However, you can still customize it a bit. Like for example, I actually use a little bit of like a powder, like a concealer powder, and I just put it on the frontal just to get it to blend in a bit better. You know, it's not necessary, but if you just, you know, you want to be a little extra over the top like me, you can do that. I'm just going to use a little bit of deep conditioner. You know, just make sure that my hair stays conditioned. Definitely don't want it to be wet and dry and not conditioned. Some glycerin. This is 100% glycerin. It aids in the repair and dry damaged skin and hair. This is, you can use any glycerin really. I got this from my beauty supply store. Really for me, what this product does is it just calms the hair down. You know what I mean? Because like I said, I don't want it to be really puffy and big. So you just use a little bit of glycerin in this thing and the hair will calm down. So I actually enjoy the fact that it took me probably 2 days to film this, just because this is the second part of the video, because I did wear the hair out and I got the chance to find out, you know, what products work and what doesn't, and just sort of how to style this hair to my liking. So what I did realize, right, while I was out, is that just using the glycerin by itself, it wasn't enough for me. It was still puffy, which I did not like. So what I also did, I also used some Eagle Styler gel. Use the olive oil Eagle Styler. And this right here is the last addition to this wig. This is like the killer. You know what I mean? This is like the killer ingredient. This is what really helps the hair calm down, and it keeps my curls intact. I can go the whole day with the wash and go look, and you'd never know that it's not my hair. Ladies, I am just very impressed, I must say. Look at that. Wow. I personally, if I was not working with Her Given Hair, I personally would buy this wig. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, because it's worth the money. The wig was already constructed for me. It has just the right amount of density, the right curl pattern. This is that beautiful wash and go look. This is actually the wig I have been looking for my entire life. I've wanted a curly wig for so long, a wig that I can just wash and go and just kind of wake up and go. And I would say this is the wig. Her Given Hair, one thing I really will say, with a lot of the wig companies I work with, they're definitely top 5. You know, they're definitely top 5 in terms of the hair and the hair quality. They do not disappoint. They don't disappoint. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this review. Enjoy this hair. I mean, just looking at it. Honestly, right here, this is satisfaction for me. Please thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. My dear, I'm just like, I can't believe this. Hey! This hair is just giving me life. Wow. Sexy mama. My dear, I'm in love. I am in love. Where am I going? Who's taking me out? Woo! I think I'm just, I'm losing it right now. Do y'all see this? By the way, if you guys like my contacts, check out my description box. I have a discount code for these lovely contacts. You know, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Let me know what you guys think about this hair in the comments. Would you buy it? Would you wear this? I mean, I'm saying. All right, bye.